Today I just got an alert on the telephone saying extreme weather, alert, thunderstorms, potential high winds, stay inside. You can hear the thunder in the background. It got me thinking, when's the last time I started my generator? I don't know if it's going to go out, but anything's possible. After this is all done, I'm going to do what I should do. You should do every 2 years. Some people say every year. Every 2 years is good as long as you're using non-ethanol fuel. Go start your generator. I'll show you the whole thing. Once this thing passes, I'll go do it and put fresh non-ethanol fuel with a stabilizer in it, and you should be good for another year or two. Yeah, I did get quite windy. Power is out right now. I'm going to wait till it stops raining. It's still early in the day. I get plenty of time. Let the rain stop and put my generator outside and start it up and service it. Get it ready. I don't know how long it's going to last, but like I say, right now we did lose power. And that, my friends, is a Manitoba maple. It's gonna be hard to see, but if you look up there, my fascia is lifted back. The wind must get behind it, pull it out. So I gotta get up there with a ladder and just fix it. That's the only damage I took. So right now there's no power. I will do the generator later on today. I'll put a link to the video of the generator in the description. And I'm just gonna take a drive around and see if I can find out how bad it is, if I can find out where it went off. And how long I'm going to have to wait, or do I have to get my generator done or set up right away? Didn't last long, but it blew quite hard. And the forward driving, I'll do it off my dash cam. Oh, that's what this is. Somebody's power line went down, that's why the cones are there. Oh, big tree fell down. Okay, we got another tree across the road here. But power lines are on this side of the road, so okay, this is what normally happens when you leave your generator sit for years on end without doing what I'm going to show you in my video. We have a power failure, and of course everybody's now struggling to get their generators going. That's hard as a rock, eh? Yep. Yeah, unfortunately, like I say, it was out of gas completely. And you put gas in it, first thing it did is start leaking carburetor fuel. Let's take a look at the gasket that goes around. Right now, there's no power. Fridge is not running. And just want to get power. Well, this should have been done Why everything was good.
Don't forget to mention that it was free.
He did pick it up free.
That's why it's
A week ago or 2 weeks ago?
I don't know, a week ago or 2 weeks ago, something like that.
And you were planning on fixing it when?
Before the power outage, but now the power's out.
Do you have any bowl gaskets?
No. But I have a little bit of that.
I had some lying around. I don't know if it's still there, if I threw them out. I'll go check.
So I cleaned the main jet out with the tip cleaner, the oxyacetylene tip cleaner.
Okay. I use those a lot. Fun and handy. Yeah, I couldn't find the right gasket, but I have a kit. These are handy sometimes. You might just get by with just an O-ring, sort of different sizes. I carry a metric and standard. So I'm going to try that. Just see if we can get him, or get himself up and running. Did you do a Q-tip down there with the cleaner?
I did electronic cleaner. Right through.
Okay. Yeah, what I'm worried about is the seat having a little the seat has a little bit of a
Corrosion or whatever.
yeah, like the white stuff, white powder. The Q-tip would go down there and it just cleans it up.
I'll get a Q-tip, but I don't.
How long ago was that power failure?
2 or 3 hours ago?
No.
Oh, the one that happened?
Yeah, when he
A
bought
long time
this.
ago.
6, 7 years?
No, more than that. Like 10 years or more? 10 years or more since that. The one that the whole Northeast went out.
Okay.
Yeah, you can look it up.
Yeah, so about 10 years ago is the last time this ran. The guy bought it just for that and used it. It was a 3-day power failure. And after that, put it in the garage and I think it doesn't look like it.
Shed.
Put it in the shed and it's out ever since. Try to see if that'll fit on there.
Just checking the seat.
Yeah, I know. But if that O-ring doesn't fit,
Oh, it'll fit.
basically it doesn't matter if it seats or not. You're not going to get a float bowl sealed.
I got another one. I got another one.
Yeah, I got different sizes in here.
You got some with you?
And I got the whole kit here.
Oh, okay.
And this is the next size down.
Is that metric or imperial?
This one's Imperial. I do have a kit.
I got a metric one.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just a.
Yeah, my metric one I didn't bring. I just brought this one.
Oh yeah, she clicked in.
Huh?
It clicked in.
Works?
Hope so.
Yeah. Tighten her down and see if it leaks.
Oh, other than leaking out.
What's that?
Other than leaking out with the O-ring, it's got Robin's looking for opportunity here.
Is that where it's coming out?
Yeah, it's coming out there. I just have to move this spin clip on here.
It's coming out there.
Yeah, I know. The hose is probably dry rotted. Can you turn that off for me?
You can cut her back.
Yeah, actually I can cut it back a little bit.
Oh, you got plenty of hose here. Oh, yeah, it is. Pretty hard, but you should be able to push that in.
You got it jammed against the fin there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's, you can pull that side, I'll push this side, see if we can get some without having to take the whole thing apart. There, okay, you got it. Ethanol fuel does that to the fuel hose, to the hoses. That's why I say always use non-ethanol fuel.
Amen to that.
What's that?
Could amen to that. Tighten the Carver's Princess out of it.
Bring it back. I'm gonna turn it on and see if it's,
Yeah, turn it on, see if it's leaking.
okay, it's all the way. It's all the way on.
Okay.
No leaks.
No leaks. Can you turn it off? Because I have to tip it now. It's going to leak. I'm not going to remember which. Oh, it's probably this bigger one. The one that's all wallowed out. Let's bring it this way.
Hang on.
We're ready. We ready?
When you say the storm wasn't that bad, it wasn't that bad for you and me. It was really bad for him.
Yeah. Yeah, the neighbor's got the.
My neighbor up at through here, Manitoba Maple, right down in the backyard, they're covering the whole backyard. Okay, it's the next day after the storm. I took a drive out. Our area, we lost power 9 hours, roughly. I drove out not too far from here. They're still out, so it was about 26 hours after the power went out. They're still weren't up and running. So you never know when you need a generator. Anyway, that video will be next, right after this one. It's going to be the best way to make sure your generator starts, any small engine for that matter. I'll go through the process and what I do. Anyway, if you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching my video. Bye for now.